This video we're going to talk about how do we move the balls up to the top and randomly place them at the top. So that's what we're going to do here because we want the balls to randomly fall on the screen from the top and we want them to fall down. So I'm going to move them up to the top, up about there. And I'm going to deal with the blue ones to start with. Let's start with that. Click on this blue one. I'm going to go into a script. I'm going to add some, not control, I'm going to add an event. When the flag is clicked and the game starts, and I'm going to pause here just for a second to go back and look at my bowl. Yeah, that's how the bowl works. That's how we start the game. We start when the flag is clicked. So let's go back to our red ball. Let's go back to our blue ball. And let's add a control loop in here that loops forever. And what we want it to do at the beginning of this loop is we want it to position the ball at the top and then make the ball start falling. So let's take a look into this. Let's go into our motion. And we want the ball to go to a position somewhere on the top. And the X position for the blue here tells us how far left and how far right, and the Y tells us how far up and down. The Y value looks pretty good at 164, but we want our X value to be somewhere from over here. Notice if you look at the X down below, you see the X down here. When I hover over the blue ball, this edge is about 234, and the edge of the screen way over here is about negative 238. So let's say negative 240 is the left edge, positive 240 is that edge. We're going to go to an operator and we're going to pick a random number to set in there for the X value. And we're going to say random value between negative 240 and positive 240. And we'll leave the top at 164. That's what it's going to need to do, and when we do that, the ball is going to move. Then we want the ball to be able to drop.